Hello everyone, it's BrynLaw here. I have a special message to deliver on behalf of AVOW Wrexham, and it's a message that I'm delighted to deliver because you guys are doing such fantastic work. So from AVOW, and I guess from me and from everybody in the community, just like to say thank you very much for everything that you do. I've been lucky enough to appear in a couple of the episodes of Welcome to Wrexham, that brilliant documentary series that has really shone a light on what the town is all about. And what the town is all about is exactly what you exemplify in terms of the work that you're doing. Fantastic, these things that you have volunteered to help with in the hospital, sports work, young people, feeding people, looking after nature, picking up litter, all the things that make our community a very special community. So to all of you, a very heartfelt thanks very much for all the work that you've been doing and all the work that you'll do and continue to do in future as well. Thank you, Ddiolch yn fawr iawn.